Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today we're gonna take a couple of trades, so listen and learn. So first I took here a trade with a lower option. So this trade, I took it because we have here a doji and this doji have been broken. We have here a morning star. So morning star need a retracement. So let's see how it's gonna okay, I'll take here one more at this round number. So I had take double trades, but to secure this at the first one, I took here another one just to secure on exactly on the round number. So I hope to reject. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Yes. So anyway, I supposed to take it here to be honest, but this was a quick trade. Okay, here I will go with a sellers. So with the trend and so we have here an outside bar have been broke this doji. We have here also round number. Okay, and so you can put here this level. Okay, have been broken from the upside. So we have here this outside bar. So this outside bar, I think it's need a retracement after it. So this reason for that. But I wish I took it here. Okay, but no problem. I won this trade. Okay, guys, here I took also a trade based on the we have here a gap up, we have here a round number, we have here also an ABC. Okay, so inside this I see so I can see here a decision point, but let me take one more, just right on this downtrend. Okay, here. Okay, but I want to one. Okay, I wish I took here two trades, but it's fine. Okay, no problem. I lost one and I win one. Um, but here it's supposed to be like a decision point since it's ABC. It's ABC. But markets sometimes do not go well. Or maybe we have here like a channel. Let's go up, down. Okay, I'll take here trade for around 2 minutes. Okay, because as you see guys here, so the market goes inside these channels. Okay, And since we have here like this candle, okay, that's mean for me the price gonna go down again, but things gonna goes against us. It's this kind of momentum. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, as you see here, we have, as I explained before, so the price goes on this channel. Okay, so I took here trades for around 2 minutes, and because we have here this kind of a candle, this means a reversal candle on this round number. So it reversed. Look at this, but this kind of look, when we have a small candle, then we have big candle. This sign of reversal, okay. But if we have a big candle, then we have small candle, the sign of continuation. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop here. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And thank you. By the way, guys, I'm sorry for that I could not upload any videos in the previous week because I have I have an issue in my back, so because I could not make any video. So stay tuned. I'm back. I will upload again. Thank you also for watching, and goodbye.